Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C Class. In this video I'll show you how to adjust side rear view mirrors. In the beginning, let's take a look at the driver's doors. And right here we've got this panel. Simply press the left or the right button to select side mirror. And now adjust its position using this panel right here. So let's press it on the left side. And now on the right side. Bottom. And now top. You can do the same thing with the right side mirror, so let's select it and again adjust it using this panel. And that's it.